What's up, everybody? It's the Nomad Brad, and in this video, I'm gonna tell you about the One Funnel Away Challenge, which I think is really cool. I think you're really gonna love it, and how it can help you, what it is, and where you can get it, and also where you can get some really cool exclusive, totally exclusive to this video, free bonuses if you end up signing up. By the way, again, my name is the Nomad Brad. I talk a lot about internet marketing, affiliate marketing, digital marketing, all this stuff. I've been doing it for a lot of years. I run several different businesses. So if you're interested in learning more about affiliate marketing, traffic, funnels, all that stuff, then feel free to subscribe to my channel and maybe like this video. All right. So I'm so excited to share this with you because this is such a cool opportunity that we have right now. The One Funnel Away Challenge is something that ClickFunnels is doing right now. They've done it a couple times, and I kind of missed the boat the first couple times, and I don't want to miss it again because it's so cool. So I want to share it with you. So basically, if you've ever had this experience, which I definitely have many times, and I know a lot of people have, where you want to get started, you want to build a business, you maybe want to create your own products, or maybe you just want to be an affiliate marketer and you want to sell other products, you just want to make, a living online, and you've heard about the sales funnels thing, you've heard about the ClickFunnels thing, but once you get in there, you kind of get overwhelmed. Where do I start? I mean, there's tons of training in there, there's tons of different features and gizmos and gadgets, and it can be hard to understand exactly where to start. So you might feel overwhelmed by all of the potential and possibilities and options, so overwhelmed that in fact you maybe don't take action. I've been in this situation so many times. In fact, I was just going through that today because I was so overwhelmed with the possible ways to talk about this that I actually eventually just had to turn on my screen and start talking because it's the only way to get going. Now, the beautiful thing about this program is that they have another strategy for helping you fight that overwhelm and actually get started going in the direction, whether you're building your business, whether you're just starting your business, if you have products, you don't have products, the ClickFunnels team wants to help you actually get started. Or also, if you want to be an affiliate marketer, they want to show you all the pieces that you need, and they actually want to hold you by the hand and help you do all that. So doesn't that sound awesome? I think it sounds really fun, really cool, and I love that they're doing this. So let's take a look real quick. You can watch this inspiring video if you go to the link that I'll share with you in a second. So what it is a 30-day challenge. So this is the magic of this psychologically is that, if you have trouble getting started or sticking with it, staying focused, staying, on your path, then they're actually going to help you stay accountable. And unlike a lot of other programs, it's only 30 days. So, you're going to make so much progress in those 30 days, and you're actually going to have coaches. So Russell is going to be, this is Russell Brunson. He started ClickFunnels, by the way, one of the best marketers in the world. And so he's actually going to be giving you a daily mission to help you get to the next step in creating your business or creating your affiliate business. And he's actually just going to tell you exactly what to do and then give you step-by-step training on exactly what to do for that day. So that's pretty awesome. So check out all this stuff that they're going to give you. 30 days of video missions from Russell Brunson, 30 days of coaching from Steven Larson and Julie Stoyan. I don't know who they are, but I'm sure they're part of the team and experienced, marketers. ClickFunnels has access to the best talent in the world. So if they're the coaches, then I'm sure they're amazing. The One Funnel Away Challenge customized kit with a 30-day plan. You can see this here. They're actually going to send you real stuff in the mail, which is kind of fun and exciting. So I can't wait to get mine. So I'll explain that here in a second. The physical copy of the challenge workbook, an MP3 player with a bunch of additional sales marketing training to help you get your business going, a 30 days hardcover book. So you get actual physical books, which is, like I said, really fun. Unlimited access to 30 days interviews. So this is other people who've gone through the 30 days challenge, and they've launched it a couple times now because it's working so well. It's actually helping people focus and get results. So if you've ever, tried doing different courses and trainings and different strategies, you know that it can get frustrating sometimes that you start and you're excited, and then a couple weeks later, life gets in the way, you kind of forget, and you're like, oh, I'll get back to it. And then a few months later, you realize, oh, I never got back to it. Well, the beauty of this 30-day challenge is it keeps it so your brain can focus, your mind can focus. Okay, I don't have to do this forever. I just have to do the next piece, and I have a coach, I have a guide showing me exactly what to do. So that's what's so powerful about this. I can see why it's getting such incredible reviews and results. Behind the scenes, 2 Comma Club interviews. So all these incredible bonuses you get for signing up, and you may have seen that the sign-up fee is only $100, which is pretty awesome, I think, especially considering that you're getting all this stuff shipped to you. You're getting all this real world value, plus the mental focus, which is probably the most important part of the whole thing, and all of these bonuses, all this stuff. And yeah, of course. So they're really talking about how this is perfect for beginners. Like if you're just getting started, even if you have a business, but you're just getting started with the whole ClickFunnels and sales funnels and marketing thing, that's perfect for you. But if you're just starting out from scratch and you're like, I don't know what to do. There's so many options out there. There's so many trainings and people talking. I don't know what I should do. This is perfect. This is literally an expert is going to show you step by step what to do. Even if you have no product, no list, no traffic, you're running errands. It's a 30-day battle plan if you had no reputation and no funnel. So this is designed for beginners and holding your hand, which is really cool. I'm so glad they're doing this. I think this is just kind of a great service to the world. I appreciate it, and I'm going to appreciate the direction as well, because I get overwhelmed just like everyone else. Knowledge, execute, accountability. So accountability is a big deal. And actually, I think part of this challenge is you have to, implement these things daily. And there's so many success stories coming out. You can see a lot of them on this page. But a lot of people, even affiliate marketers, which I'm, most interested in. I do have my own products, and I do actually run all of my businesses on ClickFunnels, and I use it to create product funnels, and I sell products every day. So I use ClickFunnels, and I love it as a service, but also I am definitely interested in promoting it as an affiliate, and I think it's got one of the best affiliate programs ever invented. So if you're doing affiliate marketing, you should definitely be interested in as well. So that's basically what it is. It's a 30-day challenge to kind of just give you the whole step-by-step thing. You can read through this page. If you click the link below, you can get a link to a page where you can see all this stuff, see all the stuff you're gonna get. But that's basically the deal. It's $100, and you get all that stuff sent to you. You get coaching from expert coaches. You get step-by-step directions. And oh, by the way, whatever time you see on this page is real. It actually ends. They don't do it all the time. They don't do it continuously. It's going to be an actual live class for 30 days. So you have to register by whatever day, I think it's going to continue down the road, but each class is its own class. So the class, actually, the registration does end, in this case, on February 24th. So if you're seeing this before then you need to sign up before then. So I highly recommend you sign up, and to encourage you to sign up through my link, which is an affiliate link, so I will make a commission. I'll be, transparent about that. So, and I would really appreciate that. But if you do sign up, I actually want to give you an exclusive bonus that you can't get anywhere else because it's my product. This is a product called Bing Ads Bootcamp 2.0. I've been selling it damn near every day for $197, and I think it's worth way more than that. Basically, if you don't know much about me, I have been running paid traffic for other companies and for myself for many years. And I stumbled upon the Bing Ads secret, which is particularly great for people starting out with paid traffic. So if you want to figure out paid traffic, I'm sure there's training in the One Funnel Away class. But if you sign up through my link below this video, you will go to a page that looks something like this. I'm probably going to put this video here or something like that. And then click one of these links that goes to my affiliate link and purchase the One Funnel Away Challenge, which means you're going to get all the success stories, but you're going to get all the stuff, all the normal stuff. And then in addition, I just want to give you this program, which, like I said, I legitimately sell every day for $197. And I think it's worth a lot more, where I will show you exactly how to start running paid traffic that's very affordable and very controllable from Bing Ads, which a lot of people don't know much about. It's actually a really great source of traffic for almost every business out there, including affiliates. So it's a complete system. People pay $200 every day for this program and are very happy with it. It's everything you want to know about paid traffic, and I've got a couple other bonuses as well. So click the link below this video if you think the One Funnel Away Challenge is a good fit for you, and you will go to my page that looks something like this with my affiliate links. And if you do that, and if you sign up through my affiliate links, then you can just send me an email. My email's on this page. You can send me an email after you sign up with a receipt from your signing up for the One Funnel Away Challenge, and I will give you access to the Bing Ads Bootcamp 2.0, which is for totally for free. Like I said, $197, selling every single day for that. And also a couple other bonuses that you'll see on the page. And yeah, so thanks for watching. I think you're gonna love this program. It looks awesome. I'm gonna sign up and we can go through it together. I'm really excited about it. So thanks for watching again, and click the link below this video to sign up for the One Funnel Away Challenge, and I will talk to you soon.